In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide. In particular, the auditing of the cascade of objectives down to the shop floor. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. So, thanks for spending a couple of minutes with me. Obviously, we saw each other when you were operating machine number 36. How long have you worked here at KB Components?
For 1.5 years.
Okay. What I'm looking at is how your company cascades your key performance indicators down so people on the shop floor understand them. Could you give us an explanation about this communication board?
Yes. So this is the board on which each of the components of our company is explained.
Okay.
Yes. So here it is the safety.
Okay. Yeah. So lost time, accidents.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the performance on that is very good.
Yeah.
What do we have here?
This is the quality. Yeah.
Okay.
Quality tables.
And what do you measure on quality then?
It is customer rejected parts.
Okay.
Parts per million. Yeah.
And from what we saw, there haven't been any customer-related problems on yourself, which is good.
Yeah.
What about productivity? What as a company do you measure?
Yes. So here we measure the OEE. Yeah. In
Okay.
percentage. Yes.
Yeah.
During
and
the month.
generally, the performance on that looks to be very good.
Yeah.
What about this issue? Logistics.
Yeah,
How does that
logistics.
affect you?
Basically, it affects really heavily as what we produce, and it should be delivered on time, of course.
Yeah.
So one of the key measures for that is delivery precision, inventory turnover,
Yeah.
and express shipments.
Right, okay. And again, I saw from your cell the deliver performance is very good. So well done with that. And this
Yeah.
one, does this affect you at all, the projects as an operator?
Yes, all the things I believe affect us. Yes, it is the projects and sign-off time, PPAP documentation on time, and project turnover describes the projects overall.
Okay. And my final question, I'll let you get back to the machine.
Okay.
Quality policy. What is the KB Components quality policy?
You can see it right over here.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe just give me, what does it mean to you as an operator?
Well, I don't know how to say.
Yeah. Oh no, relax, relax. What in your daily work, what are you trying to achieve?
Well, we are trying to achieve, of course, the best quality on the parts.
Best quality,
Yes,
okay.
Yes, from
Yeah.
measurement-wise and from the appearance of the parts also, that the parts are packed well as according
Packaging,
to
good.
instructions. Yes, and overall that all the routines are going smoothly. Yeah.
Right. Okay, please don't worry, that was a good explanation. Thank you. Okay, I'll let you get back to your machine.
Okay.
Thank you very
alright.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's summarize. In any IATF 16949 audit, it is important that the auditor is auditing the cascade of quality objectives from the top management within the organization down into the relevant process, and then the relevant quality objectives are cascaded to the people working within the process. In this audit, the auditor was questioning one of the operators that was working in the area to ascertain, do they actually understand the quality objectives and the performance data that has been displayed within the work area. This is really important because in some organizations, although the quality objective performance is displayed in the area, it can be seen like wallpaper and people don't understand it. So it was good practice in this audit that the auditor was questioning somebody working in the work area. And they did appear quite knowledgeable about what the quality objectives were and how they related to their particular job role. Also within this audit, the auditor took the opportunity to challenge the operator on their understanding of the organisation quality policy. As auditors, we shouldn't be looking for the auditee to be able to recite the quality policy, but they should have some understanding about the quality policy and how it relates to their day-to-day operations. And again, in this case, maybe the auditee, the operator, was nervous, but what the auditor did was try and put the auditee at ease, which again is good audit practice. So let's summarise with the key learning point. It is really important in any IATF 16949 organisation that the quality objectives set by management are cascaded down into the relevant process, and then the people working in the process are made aware of the quality objectives and how the organisation is performing against them. And the way that we should do that as auditors is to question people that are working within the process to see if they understand the quality objectives.